Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
You've probably seen whiteboard animation channels before, right? Maybe you've thought, how much does these channels make on YouTube without showing their face? And maybe you're wondering, how do I make a video like this without showing yourself on camera, without spending thousands of dollars on expensive gear, and without being extremely tech savvy? So if that's interesting to you, I'm gonna show you in this video 3 example channels in 3 different niches that you've probably never seen before. I'll show you exactly what this software is and how to use it. And then I'm going to show you 3 new ways to monetize this type of channel without AdSense. Now, this is not for you if you only want to entertain people. For that, I have a better method for you. This is for you if you really care to help people and impact their life in a visually appealing way and get paid. I'm gonna show you how to do whiteboard animation in this one, and take a look at this first channel here called Teachings in Education. This guy has 400 uploads, about 140,000 subscribers, and 12 million views in total. You can see the last 30 days he got about 400,000 views, making anywhere from $300 per month to $6,000 per month. You can see every day he's getting about 10,000 up to 20,000 views right here. And what he's making videos about is reading comprehension, teaching strategies, vocabulary teaching strategies, kindergarten teaching strategies. I feel like I need some more reading strategies. Right here you can see he's posting once every week, and he's making these really cool presentations with whiteboard animation. If we just click on this one, you can probably see it right here. And it's really cool that he's trying to teach people in a visually appealing way. Just as you can see here, just writing some cool stuff in this software, and I'm going to show you the software in a minute, but I'm going to show you this channel here called The Swedish Investor. He's gotten a total of 23 million views on his YouTube channel. The last 30 days he got 900,000 views and made anywhere from 800 to 13,000 monthly earnings. Now this guy is in the investor niche, and the investor niche is very high CPM, meaning that he's probably making the upper limit right here or even more. You can see that his channel has just been blowing up from January 2019 all the way now to 2020 in September. And what this guy is making videos about, you can see pretty much Warren Buffett all over the cross here, Charlie Munger, mental models, very interesting stuff. I love mental models, so I would love to take a look at this one actually. But here you can see, would you pass Warren Buffett Berkshire's aptitude test? Probably not. Warren Buffett, how frugal should an investor be? And then this one, how 12 private investors made their $1 million. So you can see that he's heavily in the investing niche, and he's using both clips from these awesome investors here. Looks like he's deep into Berkshire Hathaway, and he's visually appealing by using this whiteboard animation software. Now take a look at this last channel called The Art of Improvement. About 700,000 subscribers right here, getting 1.3 million views the last 30 days. And you can see he's making over $1,000 per month, up to 19,000 per month. The CPM in the improvement niche is also very high, so he's probably making across the top end of the spectrum. But let me show you what videos this guy is making, and I already watched some of these, and I gotta say, I'm a fan. I love this type of content, and he's doing a fantastic job. You can see the thumbnails here also are pretty simple once you know how to use this software. So this is a video called "This One Book Helped Me Beat Procrastination: How to Trick Your Brain into Liking Hard Things." This is a really good one. How to make yourself study when you don't have any motivation. All really good stuff. And this guy is a beautiful narrator as well. He has a beautiful English voice talking into the microphone, but you don't have to have a beautiful English voice. Your accent that you have right now is perfectly fine. I started with a heavy Norwegian accent. You would think that it wasn't really that bad, but I sounded like this when I first started. and that's not good, man. So now I want to show you step by step exactly how you can make this video from scratch with all the softwares and everything. All you need to do in return is just like that video to send it out to more people. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you like making faceless YouTube channels, take that subscribe button, baby. And also don't forget to comment down below. Also remember to stay to the end to not miss any of the steps. Step number 1, find a video idea. Okay, so take a look at this art improvement. We're gonna sort by and then click on most popular. Here you can see that his highest view count is why constant learners all embrace the 5-hour rule. About 2.7 million views 2 years ago. Now, what I actually recommend is that you never take inspiration from videos that are 2 years old. You always want to find a title that is about 12 to 6 months before it actually went viral, because the keyword might be irrelevant and then you might not get any views on your own. But take a look at this one, 21 tiny habits to improve your life in 2021. So this is recent, 6 months ago, and it has 2.3 million views. So here we have a title idea, 21 tiny habits to improve your life in 2021 effortlessly. Now, step number 2, go to google.com/docs, and here you can actually make a personal document and a file. So we're gonna paste this title in here. We're gonna make it a little bit stronger, a little bit bolder, and then we're gonna change up the title a little bit. So here you can see 24 small habits to improve your life in 2022 easily, increasing the number of habits a little bit higher to give some more value to the YouTube community, right? Step number 3, do some research. So now just take this small habits to improve your life, then go to google.com and paste that right in here, and here you can see a ton of different articles. Now we're gonna open this one in a new tab, open this one in a new tab, and this one in a new tab, and then do some research. So here we go, 24 small habits that I should probably start doing. Like make your bed, I do that one every day. Practice kindness and love. I actually practice gratitude on a daily basis. I'm extremely thankful that I have you. And then sit up straight, I'll never do in my entire life. Step number 4, write the script. Jarvis. This is a way that you can automate the writing of the paragraphs and scripts and all of that. This is something I use. I'm not affiliated with this and it's not sponsored, but I might get that in the future because I started using this a lot now, and everything I use confidently, I will always share with you guys. So now inside of Jarvis, you can see the templates. What I like doing is the PAS framework. So right now, go back to the article again. Then we can copy, do a full body workout with weights 3 times a week. Then we go back to the PAS formula. We put that right into the product description, choose the tone of voice to be funny or to be witty, and then you can generate AI content. So now they're gonna output 3 for us right now. Just like that, it has written the paragraph for us. So let me read one of them to you. Problem, I'm busy, but I want to work out more. Agitate, we all know that working out is good for us, but it's hard to fit in the time to go to a gym 3 times a week and do weight. Solution, it turns out you don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment because you can get an amazing full body workout with just your own body weight by doing push-ups, pull-ups, and squats at home 3 days per week. The best part? You can do this from anywhere, no excuses. So pretty much just like that, we can copy that and use a little bit different wording, but that's pretty much all we need to have a full article just like that. And now you would do this for every other point as well. This one is pretty much perfect, so copy to clipboard, go back to the script again, double space and paste it right in here. And just like that, we got all of it pretty much pasted directly into the script. And it's looking feisty. Gotta say that. Check how many words we got. 2,400. Ooh. That is about a 15-minute long video if you're reading fast. Step number, read the script into a microphone. go to audacityteam.org. This is a free open source audio software. Just click right here, download Audacity. Now just install it, go through all these buttons, install, finish. Now you can just record your microphone. I got a Yeti microphone set up here, and then just click on this red record button. I think making a YouTube channel is a great idea. Just like that, easy peasy. Now we can listen to that again. I think making a YouTube channel is a great idea. Bada bim bada boom. Step number, make the whiteboard animation. So the software that we have is called videoscribe.co. This is pretty much the best one that most of these channels actually use. And in my opinion, after researching all of them, this seems to be the best one. And you'll also get a 7-day free trial. So just click on that one, create your free account. Now we're gonna download for Windows, just install it, and then launch VideoScribe. So here you can see that we can just pop right into this example scribe. And just like this, it's actually made the entire scribe for us. So this is how they do it, and it's all laid out in this layer by layer way. And then you can just play it in the top, and you will see that it's getting made just like this. Pretty simple, pretty beautiful. And I'm not here to teach you this software on its own. There are multiple YouTube videos that can teach you how to make it, but this is the basics of what actually is happening here. And once you're finished making it, you can export a video file just like this, the QuickTime movie, and we just have it right there. Obviously, this branding is because we're doing the free trial. So now that you've made the video and you've done pretty much everything, how can you actually make more money from this channel right here? So first of all, I want to go and show them the example of the Swedish investor. So he does something which is a book summary. He summarizes a book, and then he has an Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. So if anybody of his audience goes in, click on this link and actually buy this book right here, he will make money from that. So that is one way to do affiliate marketing, doing this strategy. The second thing I've seen, and I'm going to show you 3 here because I promised that to you. And the second channel, Art of Improvement, they're pretty much making more money with AdSense than anybody would do at a full-time job. But this is the channel, right? So if we click in the description here, you can get all his illustrations here. Okay, very interesting. So if we open this link, you can see that they have a Gumroad account where they actually sell all their illustrations. So basically, he probably made a video about this, right? And here he has a lot of really awesome information that he wants you to print out and hang on your wall. And that is really cool. Like, he has actually figured out a way to make a video and then actually sell that illustration so somebody can pick it up on the wall. And it looks like 41 people have rated this, and they actually really like it. So that's a second monetization strategy that you could do. The third and last one is actually they have become a member, and that is this little button here that you see on pretty much all YouTube channels now. And this is exactly how somebody can pay them a monthly fee as a supporter of the channel. Early access to all new videos 1 week in advance. So you can see that he's actually adding some value to the people that are becoming a member. And the complete package here is about $10 a month. But I actually wonder how many people sign up to this. Now, if you want to see exactly how much money a different channel can make without showing your face, there is a link on the screen right now. Just tap it, click it, and I'll see you on the next one.